Hello guys. The process of shoe manufacturing involves several technical stages. It begins with design, where concepts are translated into detailed drawings and specifications. This is followed by pattern making, where templates are created for cutting the shoe components. Fascinating, isn't it? In the cutting phase, materials such as leather, fabric, or synthetics are precisely cut using these patterns. The next step is assembling, where the cut pieces are stitched or bonded together, forming the upper part of the shoe. The lasting process involves stretching the assembled upper over a mold called a last to shape it accurately and ensure proper fit. After this, the attaching the sole step comes into play, where the sole is fixed to the upper using methods like stitching or adhesive. Once the shoe is constructed, it undergoes finishing, which includes cleaning, polishing, and making any final adjustments. The last step is inspection, where the shoes are thoroughly checked for quality and adherence to standards. Each step is crucial to ensure the final product is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on upcoming wonderful videos.